Namhlanje kusene kube nombiko ukuthi izingane kade celebrate okudume kakhulu ngePenstown taven ezu-22 yebhadi zishonile. Okhulumela amaphoyisa uBheki usezikhulumile wakonfirm ukuthi yebo izingane zishonile kodwa zikho u-22 zu-21 kanti futhi encane kunazo zonke ineminyaka engu-13 kanti futhi amantombazane bewu-8 mase kuba bafana.
The scene I've seen here inside, it doesn't matter what kind of your heart you have. Firstly, the sight of those bodies sleeping there. But when you look at their faces, you realize that they're dealing with kids. You have heard the story that they are young, but when you see them, you realize that is a disaster. 21 of them, too many. 8 girls among them, 12 boys, youngest 13. Maybe for now it will be good to speak as a parent and put aside other things. As I was driving from the scene to here, the president called me. He's in Germany, trying to find out what happened. I don't know. We can't certainly say what happened for now. I did ask the person who's leading the autopsy, Dr. Zondi, and he says they are collecting the information. Would not love to tell us what is the situation. One thing he confirms is that there is no natural death that has taken place. He confirms that the death is not natural. Well, he'll tell us what's the story. We will be taking some few more samples to toxicology, to Cape Town, which is more advanced, taking a longer time. But we'll try to make sure that Cape Town helps us on that. But we're very confident that everybody here will be identified.
Kuze kube manje ke ushilo ukuthi akabuya ama-results azokhomba ukuthi zibulawe yini kanti ke no-owner inyobeni taven usesikhulumelile naye washo ukuthi cha bengekho yena ngesikhathi lesigameko senzeka ubiziwe njengoba sekukhona i-chaos futhi waqinisekisa lamahemhem athi ubespraya i-pepper spray ukuze axoshe abantwana wathi cha bengayena lo ospraye i-pepper spray futhi noma ngabe ukhona umuntu ospraye i-pepper spray
pha emva ko-1 ekuseni kusa ndifonelwa ngalamadoda ebepha egate esithi manibuye kukho ichaos apha endlini ndabeke mina ke bendivizithele intwana yami eyolukileyo unfortunately seneveke eyi-1 yolukile ndabe ndiyoqoba ke ngenye itaveni endiyiranayo ingokuphela kwale kuphela bekuchaotic kakhulu kuba ndifike mna kwalapha phandle kugcwele abantwana nabafananyana uyilondo usuka phaa ngakojingi uyoma phaa egeyithini abanye they were forcing themselves in befuna ungena ngenkani ndabonakala uba ke ngoku neesecurity ezikho egeyithini ziye zoyisakala kucontrola umthwamo wabantu. Unfortunately ke ii-security zethu uba ibizi-security ezinormal eziqhela uba khona every day but because kungizolo umthamo wabantu ube ngaphezulu komthamo esiwulindeleyo sabe ngosingalungiselanga wona ke ngokuthina boyisakala ke ngomthamo wabantu bendingekho mna andizokwazi uyidismissa into ethi ukhona umuntu ofake i-pepper spray because andiyazi nam noba ngelo ufa kwabantu kodwa ke uqinisekileyo kukuba mna bendingekho and ibingendini andinakumdismissa u-underage because ke-underage ukhe abe khona apha ngulo ke ngofika nqandwe phaa egeyithini angangeni ungene only abantu abaselungelweni longena babakhona bona babalapha phandle and ke ngikwasikwazi uyibaleka loo nto leyo uba xa belapha phandle asinawuthi abezanga enyobeni bazile enyobeni kodwa kabangenanga phakathi enyobeni kwindawo efanele uba bebangene kuyo balapha phandle ndiyavelana nabo buhlungu kakhulu okwenzekileyo bingezo njongo zam uba makwenzeke okwenzekileyo so ndivela nabo kakhulu ndiyacela make sithobeni imimoya ngesiye kamapolisa alandele umthetho ke sabona ke ngova bona umthetho uba izawuphelela phi azazi okwangoku akho nto sinokwazi uyenza.
Kanti uBheki uphinde wazwakalisa ukugxeka abazali ukuthi ingane na-13 akumele uzulinde kuze kusekuseni ukuthi uhambe uyoripotha emaphoyiseni kumele uripothe kusa-early
kane no 13 years ingekho endlini. Yebo, because yebo. Because mawumzali unengane no 13 years engekho endlini kushaya u12, kushaya u1, kushaya u2, kushaya u3. Yabona? Uyabona mina ngihlala lalelani phela. Lalelani. Angizili ukuthi sizonesana la, angizili ukuzothandwa yinina la, angizili ukuthi ngizokhuluma into enifuna ukuyizwa la. Mangafuna ukuyizwa, that's okay, but into engikhulumayo mina umthetho nokuthi nabazali bane-responsibility. A 13-year-old ingekho endlini ulele uthiphi bese uvuka ekuseni uzoyifuna ungayiboni. I stay with my boy ose-university eCape Town. Ubuya ngo-11 tongue, sahlala phansi. Use-university, sahlala phansi. My boy, you don't come after 11 endlini. He's in university. Because as umzali, ine-responsibility. So, lama responsibility lawa, ningawasusi kubantu abafanele ukuba wona amaphoyisa nawo azongitshela nje ukuthi enzeni wona. Ngiyabona siya-investigate manje and all that. Azongitshela kodwa amaphoyisa kuzofanele athathe i-campaign asibhekele amanye amashiphu afana nalawo. Ngoba angisondelanga ngingenanga kuleli shiphu ngoba lise-crime scene, lisa-investigate. Angifuni ke ukuzobekwa icala lokuthi ngingene nganyomfa i-crime scene. Kodwa kunezinto nje ezifanele ukubuzwa kuyona ukuthi yishiphu enjani lelo mnyango wodwa.
Abanye-ke bazwakalise ukuzwelana nomuntu ophethe yona ithaveni. Uphethe uthe, as much as we can blame the tavern owner, reality is he had no control of the situation. As you all know, these 2000s grow so fast, you would find a 16-year-old looking like a 20-year-old. It is unfortunate that a tragedy happened and lives got lost. You don't need to produce some ID when you enter the tavern, so there is no way to blame tavern owners here. What about parents who go to sleep knowing that their 13-year-old children are not around? This generation is uncontrollable. We can't ignore that age restriction is there, but we know very well that they will make a plan to enter. Omunye kuthe cha unamanga uwazi kahle ukuthi lezi zingane leziya beziphakathi, otherwise izingane mekuthiwa azingeni phakathi noma zivumelekile ukuthi zingene phakathi zitholakale kanjani pho izidumbu zazo ziphakathi kwethaveni yakhe.